The Do Wire Sequence tool allows the user to process the master wire sequence that was created using the Set Wire Sequence tool on wires on the active drawing or on the active project. Let's take a look at how this works. So here's a wire network right here that goes to several different components that are all a part of location code RK1. Now, I want to take a look at the wire sequence of this particular wire. And actually, I can do that by right-clicking on the wire and go down to Wire Sequence, and let's just say Edit Wire Sequence. And here's what that looks like right now. We're starting up at TB1 number 8, and then we go to this component, and then we go to that component, and then we hit 3 contacts on this component right here, and we wind up on this fuse right there. Okay, so to quickly and easily change that using our master wire sequence that we set using this tool right here on this drawing, which is our panel front view drawing of RK1, I'm going to go ahead and hit Do Wire Sequence, and we'll start by just selecting an individual wire. So I'll just pick any wire on this network. We'll pick this horizontal one here. And you can see that I have a list now in my command line history that shows me the new wire sequence. That what was in position 7 is now in position 1, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this drawing, and we can verify this by right-clicking on this wire, go to Wire Sequence, and go back to Edit Wire Sequence. And now we see that this has been inverted, essentially, because we have processed a new wire sequence. And it did all this automatically. So I could also do this for every wire on the active drawing. So what it's doing right now is it's reading every internal wire that has more than 2 wire connection points on it. And it's ordering all of those connections based on the master wire sequence that we created using the Set Wire Sequence tool. So you can see as you scroll up through the command line history, all of the wire sequences that were set using this tool automatically. And we could do the same thing across our entire project. All I would do here is select my schematic subfolder, hit OK, and hit OK, and let that run. And it's going to go through all of the schematic drawings in my project, and it's going to process the wire sequences and put them in the order that I established using my master wire sequence from the Set Wire Sequence tool. As you can see, this tool can save you hours and hours of time by setting all of the wire sequences in an entire project in a matter of minutes. It even works on wires that have source or destination arrows on them. So I could pick this wire down here, and it will automatically update those as well. This tool is a massive time saver, and it's going to make your life as a designer or a drafter a lot easier, and it will save you a ton of time on your projects.